Welcome to this tutorial. I'm gonna call it the beginner's tutorial for now. In this tutorial, we will learn all the basic things about CorelDraw. Let's start. This is the interface of the CorelDraw. The moment you open your CorelDraw, this is what you see. Now we will start by creating a file, a project, opening the project that we are starting with. Create new, go to file, click on the new, or otherwise you can just click Ctrl N. There's a shortcut. Okay, now when this is open, now we can now explain the interface of this software. Okay, we've created a new document. This is the menu bar on the top here, where you find your file, edit, view, layout, objects, effects, bitmap, text. This one's at the menu bar. The second row is the toolbar. This is the toolbar. The next one is the property bar. The property bar contains all options relating to the current tools that is being selected. These are the toolboxes. Okay, let's start with the toolbox now. This is the pick tool. If you put your mouse on top of it, it shows the name. This is the pick tool. You can use it to pick objects. There's the major tool you use in designing it. This one is the shape tool. Okay, if you look at the pick tool, there's a small triangle at the base, black like this. If you click on it, it expanded. It's going to expand the toolbox. You can use the pick, freehand pick, free transform. If whatever you pick there is shown. In this shape tool, we have the shape, smooth, smear, trail, attract, repair, smudge, and roughen. Depends on what you want to use, but most likely shape tool is what is commonly used. This is a crop tool. Also, it has its own different tools inside the box: knife, virtual segment, eraser. Then this is the zoom or pan. Either of that you can pick. This is the freehand tool. Freehand tool has a freehand 2-point line, bezier, pen, B-spine, 4-line, 3-point curve. All these are the tools in the freehand tools. This one is the artistic media tool. It doesn't have any extension. This one is the rectangle tool. You can use it to draw rectangles. When you click down at the bottom of it, gives you the types of rectangle you can use it for. We come to all this one. This is the circle Eclipse tools. You can click on this. You can use the 3-point eclipse or the real eclipse. And this is the polygon tool. The polygon tool also has different tools inside: polygon star, complex star, graph paper, spiral, basic shapes, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, color shapes. That's different. Okay, let's start with the basic tools. Let's see if you want to use this rectangle tool. Then we come to our workspace. We click the rectangle tool. We come to the workspace and draw our rectangle. When you draw, you click, then drag. Get your rectangle. That's how you draw the rectangle. If you want to draw a square, click on you press shift, then you click, then it gives you equal size and gives you a square. That means you press shift and hold shift on your keyboard, then you drag your mouse. Now we delete all this. Then with this, okay, the pick tool, okay, I use the pick tool to pick. Let me draw this thing again, you know. I've drawn it with the rectangle tool. Now go and click on my pick tool, so I can use it to pick the object, move it anywhere within my workspace. I can use it to reshape it. Even now, if I want to make the edges curved, because it has, if I zoom, this is zoom, you go there to the zoom, you open it up. If I want to make these edges a bit curved, I go to my pick tool, click on the object, then I go to my shape tool, I click on my shape tool, then I drag at the edge. This is the result. It made all the edges, all the four edges to be curved at the same time. Next, if I want just one of the edges or two of the edges to be curved, not all the four edges, let's say I draw my rectangle again. I go to my shape tool. It highlights all the four angles that need to be curved. If I do that, now if I drag on this, it curves all the four angles. But if I click on the angle that I want to be curved, I just click like this on this, you see that it only highlights one angle. So this angle I now drag it, it becomes curved below. So CorelDraw is very good when you want to do vector designs. Vector designs are everything that has to do with lines and shapes. And designing is about lines and shapes. There's nothing you can do without lines and shapes. It's a combination of lines and shapes. Okay, that is all about this pick tool and the shape tool. Then let's go to the Eclipse, which is the one that I use to draw your circle. The same way you do your rectangle is the same way you do your circle. You draw your circle. Then if you want to use the colors, go to your color panels. These are your color panels at the side. You can pick a color, whichever item you pick here, then you pick a color, it gives the color. If you pick this one also, you give, let's say we give this orange color, it gives orange. You can see that the orange is on top of the red. It's on top of the red. You can bring the red to the front to be on top of the orange. All you need to do is just go to the red color, click on it, right click, it gives you these options, then you go to other, then to front. You can see that the red comes to the front. The red comes to the front, and CorelDraw gives you the opportunity to undo what you've done. Like if let's say you don't like what you just did now, you go to this place, to this your tool, you go to your menu bar, your toolbar, sorry, then you see this, what do you call it, and undo. This is the undo. You undo it, you see that the orange comes to the front. Or you can go to your menu bar, go to Object, to Edit, then you can see Undo. You can undo again, you can undo, or you can go forward to redo. So CorelDraw is easy to use, very easy to learn. Okay, let's do a small project now, to just do a small design. This is our workplace. So recently I just did a small logo for a friend of mine, and this is the logo, this is the way it looks like, and this is the way I create it. I use a rectangle tool, I draw my rectangle, I draw a small square, this is a small square. Then I want to put a curve at the top left corner of this square. I use my shape tool, I click on this corner, I drag a little bit to give the curve. It brings out the curve. There's the curve. Then if I want to replicate this, I don't need to draw it again. I want 2 of these. All I need to do is to copy this. I just click on it, drag. While I press Control. If I press Control on my computer, on my keyboard, I can drag it in a vertical line, straight down, or horizontal straight. It will be the alignment will be equal. So I drag, then I right click, I copy it. Or you can just go to your command, use a command on your keyboard, Control C is copy, then you Control V is paste. The thing is copied and pasted on it. I've duplicated it. So now we see that the curve is still on the left side, like what you did, but I want the curve now to be on the right side. All I do is just to mirror the mirror effect here. I click on it, it changed. Then I need another square. Like I do the same copy, I bring it to the middle like this, or you can do Control D, Control C, which is copy. You press Control C on your keyboard, Control C, then you Control V again. It is copied. Put it where you want to put it. But here now, I want all the edges to be the same. I don't want the curved edges. I go to my shape tool, I drag back, and it becomes normal. If we look closely, you see that the edge is still curved. You see, it's better now. But you can see that this one is not aligned. It's not aligned to my other square here. All I have to do to make it align, I pick the 3 objects, I go around it with my mouse, I drag and pick the 3 objects. All I need to do, then after you pick it, you just press T on your keyboard. T means top. This is a shortcut. Just press T, everything aligned at the top. If you look closely now, they are equal. Or there's a command in the menu bar. If you put it together, I'm sorry guys, I am so used to the shortcuts that I don't even, I have forgotten all these things, but this is the way you do it. Then we've done our three squares design. Now need to color it. We can put, let's say for example, whatever color we're comfortable with. Let's say for example, we can use, let's say, the blue, here, orange, then here, the blue again. If you look closely, there's still the black edges at the on the design. All you need to do to remove the edges is to go to your color bar here, then right click on this one. You pick the object you want to apply this to. You pick all the three objects, then go right click. It is gone. It is gone. We have our design already almost finished. I'm resizing it. I think it's too big. Then what I need is just to use the alphabet text tool to put whatever I want to write on the design. I'm going to write TSL. That's a TSL. That's the name of the name I want to put on it. Use the font. Yeah, TSL. But I want to use I'm using the uppercase. So I'll just go to my text, change case, uppercase. I can easily type up from uppercase on my laptop, but this is what I want to do. This thing is too big to fit in the box here. Now this text are together. I can break it into pieces. All you need to do is just Ctrl K. You press Ctrl K on your laptop, on your keyboard. It is broken. The T is separated, S is separated, L is separated. So now, maybe this is the font I want to use. For example, it's okay. We can use the font. We place our T here. If the size is too big, I guess we can reduce the size. I need to make the text bold, and I want it to be italic, and I want the text to be white in color. Then my S, also I bring it there. Look, I want it to be uniform. What's the font I use there? It's 64.122. I go to my S. Put the 64.122 here. Enter. My S is the same size with this now. I bold it. And the same thing if I want to do with my L. 64.122 was the font size. 64.122. Enter. Bold it. Italic. Then I need the color to be white. this S to be blue. Yeah, this is just the logo. It's a small logo, but as time goes on, you improve your designs and get better. So we've done the TSL logo now. It's easy. On the next lesson, we are going to begin to do more logos, more little designs that is not too complicated to start with. Thank you for being part of this lesson today. See you next time.